There may be times when somebody says, "Where is that file again?" and you know where it is, but you just need to share it with them. That's where copy path can become really useful. Windows 11 has slightly moved it, so let me show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. You need to find the file and select it. This will work whether you're in the home view or in the actual location for the file. Single click to select, or just click on the selection tick at the beginning. On the ribbon towards the top, we're going across to the three dots, sort of mid-rightish, under See More, and you'll see the command copy path. That's all you need to do, so let's open up Notepad and simply paste. There is the full file path from its top level, in this case the C drive, all the way through to the location and the file name, ready to be shared with others. Click the thumbs up button to like this video. It's free and makes a big difference to my channel. And if you'd like to be told as new videos become available in the future, then remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. Bye for now.